Hi, welcome to another episode of Skyblock. So I see an update in this game. I also make set up my own shop. Yes, this new update has added the vending machine to sell items safely. This and you need one crystallized iron, 5 green sticky gear, and 10 gold to make that. So people can buy items and I can wait. Yes, if you can buy items here, complain about the anyone buy any. Or some of them they bought some. Let me empty my slots. Let's see. And I can put this withdraw. Anyone sold? No. Yeah, because someone will sell items here. So sometimes you need to check. You may need to always check. And the item will go in the chest. So I put it back the wheat and then so here people can sell also sell. Okay, this is so cheap. I bought it all. Sometimes if people do very good offers and if they invited me, I would buy it all. We also have an industrial smelter in their base. I bought everything here. Yes, I don't have build permission here, so I can add the shop. So someone came to my base. Also, let's grab my tools, axe, plow, and here, right there, maybe, where's the quest? Yes, harvest 2 potato crop. Let's buy a few of these. So the quests are telling me to plant everything. So now, 1, 2, 3, maybe I may do 6. Like this. I turn on my auto collector. And I can also plant, so this is the I also plant these here. This one was yes here. Okay. So did they do everything here? No. No. Did they sell the stone bricks? The iron. Let's see. Okay. No one buy anything. So let's see is there other quest to do from the other merchant. of berry, craft 3 pieces of berry duck. Let's see, can I craft? Let's do 2. Yes, let's see what is the next quest to do. Some of the merchants' quest is very easy. Craft 3 pieces of ducks. So that's why I'm selling all these crafts. I know I'm buying all these crafts because I need it for all the quests. Already bought all the iron. Withdraw. Actually, if I sold 100k iron, I will get how much? It's 100k. 25 each. I get 2.5 million. But from selling all my iron. So the potatoes are growing. Later I can complete those quests. I only need 3. Merchant. Eat 2 bread. I think I bought 1 bread from me. People for 1.5k. I think that is quite expensive. If that is because he's a noob, so I got to help him. Let's put a how to make it bread. Or I can cook the stuff into a bread. Let's put something that I need inside. Okay. I don't need that much. Let's wait that. Okay. Let's grab back the coal I don't need. Let's see. Okay, I hope people will be buying it to get something here. Let's invite everyone. Let's check. Okay, because some people join, so I need to invite him again so they can get or do the 3 pieces of berry duff. 3 pieces. I don't know if some of the quests tell me to sell or buy things. But if I buy from the vending machine, I don't know does it count. If I buy from a vending machine. Or maybe I think it should be. Oh, white rock blueprint. So can I put this item in a chest? Oh, I can really do this. But I don't want to lose the blueprint. Let's see, can I? So I cannot insert that engage shop. Oh no, wait. Let's see. Yes. Wait. You actually do that. I don't know. But if you want to give me blueprint, I can give you more coins. Verb. Sell blueprint for 1,000 codes. I'm just kidding. No one will do that. I put a stone brick that back there, and so I have learned that, and now I can harvest 2 pieces of potato crops. So I can go back to this. Where's the seed? It's the seed shop. Grow 3 trees from sapling. I need to grow 3 trees from sapling. Okay, let's chop these trees down first, so they will grow later. And these that grows the wrong tree. Wait, now. Wait, what did I supposed to plan? Okay. Okay, 1 tree has grown. Wait, did 3 trees grown yet? Wait, let's see how much. Okay, 1 tree. Okay, eat 3 berries. Put this back. Craft 3 pieces of berry dough. Let's see. Also buys potato. When shouldn't be selling container belts. I see. Potatoes. Okay, I need to. Then I need to. I don't think I need too much coins. Withdraw. And let's see. Wow. They have got 26k is okay for this. Withdraw. Okay. I think that is enough. Craft 3 pieces. Okay, I think he want to buy or sell something. Okay, the 3 trees grown. Yeah. Yes. I need to harvest wheat grass. So I do need to farm those. I cannot do it only by trading. Because onion seeds, I don't think it worth 2K. I think I planned the wrong thing. Let's get some more wheat. I do need to plant some wheat. Because that is what the quest tell me to do. Where's my wheat seeds? Wheat, where's my seeds? Did I lose them? Okay, here. See this. Okay. So let me check did anyone sell the wheat here. I don't think they did. Oh. Okay. Let's do this quest first. Eat 3 berries. Where are my berries? Here. 1, 2. Okay. Boom. Okay. Eat 2 loaves of bread. Let's insert. Let's put the code inside. And let's put how much? Only need. Okay, 2. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Can I finish? Oh, outdoor table. Okay, I see, but I forget what do I need to do. Okay, craft 10 tomato soup. It says tomato soup. Let's see. Um, let's see what is baker. Eat 15 berries. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I got enough. Boom. What is food? No, you have to be these. How much tomatoes do I have left? Okay, I only have 56. I think I'm okay. I need some shop to be tomatoes. I'm plain tomatoes. I need to sell 20. Okay. If I sell that, I don't know does it count as food. I don't know what's count as food. Pizza, I think it should count as food. Let me check if does that count as food. So okay, craft 3 letters. I think the blocks one now is easier. But if that needs the cross that I don't plan, it's going to be pretty hard. Let's see. Um, craft 5 items in the workbench. Let's see what I need to craft. There's 2 items already. I got some iron blocks. Like this. I think that's still good looking. Those iron blocks. Okay, fully bricked 8 iron rocks. Do I have any iron totem? If I don't have, let's just buy. Let's buy 2. So that I can break those. If I do really got a crystallized iron and everything, what is the chance of getting it? At that, no one sold items here. No one sell things that I need. Harvest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. I sold 5 wheat crops. So I complete this quest. Like this. Yes. Okay, there's also one more merchant. Buy 3 saplings. Buy 3 saplings, that's easy. 3 saplings. Buy 3 saplings is easy. 2 and then 3. Now let's go back here and just click finish task. Buy 3 carpets. Let's go here. 1, 2, and 3. Buy 3 glass. 2. I don't know does it mean glass block or glass pane. Yes. purchase 5 pieces of glass. That's also easy. That's so cheap. If then we do get 1 crystallized iron from iron cracks, from iron iron rocks, then it's impossible. Get 1 pink sticky gear from slimes. I don't want quests like this. Sell 5 iron ingots. Let's go here. Oh, I completed another quest very quickly. Purchase 5 pieces of grass block here. Easy. I got it. Boom. Sell 10 wheat. How about this quest? Okay. I need to go grow 3 trees again. Okay, I got another one. That's great. Make a carpentry shop. Let's see. Can I do anything with this? Oh. Can I make red rock? No one said anything that I need. Hoping someone did. I don't know. Let's just chop the tree so that. Wait. Why did I break that plank there? Let's put it back. Let's put this and know the trees will grow soon. So now I can put 8, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how much have I done so far. It's from one of the merchants here. 6 out of 8. What if I break all the blocks under this? Oh, it will disappear. Okay, and we just need to put the middle one, then it will disappear. That's a good trick of breaking stuff, but I don't know if I do that as a count. Grass, but I don't even need to move because I can. Okay, I purchase. Okay, or do I need to reopen? Oh, I need to break coal rock this time. Let's place down this coal hole again. Let's grab this. Put this and let's go grab this. And how do I use this? Wait. What? Why this is not working this time? Let's see. And what? Did anyone sell anything here? No. But I cannot learn this. Maybe something bugged happened. I think code is easier to put. Let's see, is the grocery tree quest done? Yes. Harvest one wildflower. Okay. Maybe this thing is bugged. Yes, it doesn't work. Is there a flower? Let me go back. Okay, grow trees again. Not chop trees. Let's harvest 5 more wheat anyways. They are already grown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the quest need to do, need me to do rare stuff, then it's going to be very hard. But the quest is the person I mean to sell one item from the vending machine. That is just so easy. No, I need to sell it. Sell, purchase grass. I don't need to buy the types of them. Some week before. Let's see. Finish task. Sell 30 berries. Easy. Boom! I complete the quest. Complete. Sell 25. Just wood, I'm not really wishing that. Okay. Okay, very easy. So I'm still wishing that. But I think that may be too hard for noobs to do. Sell 50 maple logs, are you kidding me? Okay, I need to use sell 5 grapes. Do I have grapes? Yes, that's good. Cool. And what's next? Okay, berries, easy. How much onions do I have? 127. Oh, 25 iron ingots again. Probably if noobs, if they don't have an iron shop, they need to they need to smelt so much iron. Without a industrial smelter, it will be very hard. Sell 40 wheat. That's what the quest wanted me to do. Okay. 25 iron ingots. Okay, Only 25. Don't sell more than what the quest needs. Boom! Again, Maple Lock. How much Maple Lock do I have? Oh, I still have some. Okay. Finish task. Sell 30 tomatoes. Do I even have that much? Okay, I sold it. Let's see. That is just what the quest gives. 10 iron. Wait. I think 7 totems is enough. Let's grab all these so I can complete the quest real quick. So there's different levels. Different levels have different difficulty. Chop down 4 trees. I need to chop. If the quest is like build build how much blocks, then it may be very easy because you can build it and then break it. That is the trick. Boom. Chop down 4 trees already. Okay, craft one small chest. I need that again. I need to do that again. Doing iron is a lot easier. Because you don't need that much wood. Just wood, you cannot have a totem. Iron, you can. I spent another 25 wood for the chest. Let's sell it back. Let's complete this. This is easy. And 70 single blue patch. Is that right? Oh wait. Maybe this level 3 gets quite hard. Okay. Finish task. 2 tomato crops. No one invite me to others island, but I can unlock it quite a bit. Oh, wait, why do I have 2? How come do I have 2 of these? Let's see. Do I think I craft, or do I have it already? Red cloth table. Red cloth table. Yeah, because I have that already, so that's why I cannot craft. Let's craft one real quick and see what does it look. I think that is on the top floor. Let's buy a bunch of carpets. Let's buy 100 carpets because I have a lot of coins. Okay, I bought this 8K, right? I have 13 million. Let's place down here. If the quest tell me to spend Robux there, I probably won't see these squares. Okay, got some red carpets. Let's see what does it look like. Oh, that's cost. Let's see how good. How does that look? Does that look good? Oh, Let's try another furniture. Oh, probably I can get this, and also can get this. Then just need some birch wood. Let's see how this looks. Red rock and have a bed. Looks pretty good. Can I sleep? Can I sleep? Hey, I want to sleep right here. Oh, it's really like bedtime. I can wake up. Wait, I stop here and yes, now I can wake. Let's see. Now I can sleep here. Oh, and wake up and the daytime is here. This is what I can do. Boom. I think did anyone sell? No, maybe I don't have. They don't have permission. 5 people don't have permission here. So I will end this video right here. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, like my video, turn notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Everyone, goodbye.